Be creative, look around the home, find somewhere where you can attach the resistance band in this exercise. I like using the coffee table. Go ahead, grab it, step right in the center of it, take a nice step back, bend your knees, shoulders back and down, chest up. You want to keep those abs tight, turn your hands out. You want to put out your arms where they're nice and comfortable. Make sure they're not too far down. Just put them out where they're comfortable there. You want to keep your arms all in a line. Wrists, elbows, shoulders. Keep your neck looking nice and straight. Curl it up to your ears and squeeze your biceps. The way you know how far down you go right before your arms lock. So right there, that way the pressure is still on that bicep. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way in. Notice he's not swaying back and forth. Even when he gets tired, he's not going to move around. He's going to keep it nice and tight. Look at how he's not moving his elbows around, outward or inward. Okay, he's keeping them nice and straight and aligned with his body. His wrists are not moving, bending either. They're nice and straight.